Okay, we are now going to demo the capability of our Instant Autoload Max loading station. First, you have to look at the screen and check if the machine is ready to accept load. If you read on the screen, you will see the wordings, "Welcome to IA Max Prepaid Automated Loading Machine. Press Enter to load." So I will press Enter. After that, the display will state enter 11-digit globe or TM number. So you need to input the mobile number of the phone you want to load. So I will load the prepaid number 092627. A new display will state please drop coins. So minimum is 15, maximum is 150. So now I will insert my 15 peso coin. 15 peso worth of 5 peso coin. 1, that's 5 pesos, 10 pesos, 15 pesos. So I just have to, when I'm done inserting the coins, I just have to press the keypad enter. Then it will start to load within 5 to 10 seconds. The mobile phone will receive confirmation Autoload Max has been loaded to the phone. And that's it. That completes the loading process. Thank you. Now, as you can see, it's already been loaded. We'll confirm it. And one message received from Autoload Max. 15 pesos worth of prepaid credits was loaded to your mobile. Thank you.